Hi, my name is Yves Astein. I'm product manager for Phytec messaging. I'm here at the Embedded World 2023, presenting our new pin-compatible product family, scaling from the STM MP13 from ST over the 6UL, i.MX 6UL from NXP, up to the i.MX 9.3 from NXP. Here you can see this is the i.MX 9.3 on our carrier board of the i.MX 6UL, which has been existing for a while, and this is the same carrier board with the ST processor populated. The advantage of the scalable family is, of course, you can scale in performance, starting with the STM as a low performance, low cost product, going up to over the 6UL in the mid-range, and the i.MX 9.3 at the high end, and having also the most features like the NPU and a cutting-edge performance at an optimized price cost, of course. And everything that we have here is based on the scalloped edge technology for soldering, which is a very simple way to solder on a SOM onto a carrier board, and it's also cost saving because you don't have the connectors. It has a very low profile, and of course we are offering all of these products with our Yocto Linux distribution, and also the security features that are already prepared in our Yocto Linux distribution. So it's a quite nice way to be able to scale your product. You can start off with the design with a low-cost device, check out the market, and if you see your demand for more features, then you can just interchange the SOM on the carrier board without a redesign and then get more features.